Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another exciting video. Welcome into my bedroom here at my new place in Miami. We decided to kind of switch up the scenery. What we're gonna be talking about today is how to make $600 doing literally nothing. We're also gonna show you some bonus apps that you can make even more than that, again, doing nothing. And I know that's a bold claim. I also know that generally when people say doing nothing on YouTube, it means doing at least something, some amount of work. But in this video, I'm not kidding when I tell you, literally, you are going to be doing nothing. So if you're new here, first of all, welcome to my bedroom. Sounds kind of weird to say to tens of thousands of strangers, but either way, welcome to my bedroom and welcome to the strongest family anywhere on YouTube. If you're new here, do two things if you like money. If you don't like money, don't do them. But if you do like money, like me and like everyone pretty much watching this video, make sure you tap on that little like button until it turns blue for the YouTube algorithm, and also click on the little red subscribe button and make sure you join the bell squad. Why? Because that way you'll know every time we drop a brand new video, and you have a way better chance to actually be our next $100 first commenter winner. So shout out to our winner from the last video. Also shout out to our riddle winner for being the first commenter of the correct answer for our riddle from last video. And since you guys have been loving the riddle so much, we have a brand new one. The riddle for today's video is: a man was outside in the rain with no umbrella, but got none of his hair wet. How did that happen? Now, the first person to comment the correct answer down below will be our next $1,000 course winner. And like always, the first commenter on this video will be our $100 winner as well. Shout out to the winners from last video, and let's get into today's video. So the first app that we are going to be talking about today is, interestingly enough, called the Make Money app, or more specifically, Make Money Free Cash app. I wonder if they're doing that for SEO. Yes, of course they are. And essentially what this app is very similar to Google Opinion Rewards, where you can get paid real cash for doing very basic tasks, such as watching videos or giving your opinion. Now, is this the app that's actually going to pay you $600? No, we are gonna get into that in just a few minutes, right? Make sure you do hang around with us till the end of this video. If you're already impatient now, right, you're probably never gonna make any money online. The truth is, if you can't watch a 10-minute video, you're never going to have a successful business. It takes time to do this stuff, and you can either make excuses or you can make money, but you can't make both. The next app that we're gonna be talking about is called the Cash Magnet app, which again is an awesome name. And the Cash Magnet app is cool because you literally are getting paid for doing nothing. And generally when you get paid for doing nothing, it means that they're ultimately selling some type of user or performance or behavioral information about how you use your device to a third party like advertisers and things like that. Now, generally this information is anonymized, right? They say right here on their website that they guarantee that your information is safe, but you do ultimately have to decide whether or not some free cash for doing literally zero work is worth giving your actual browsing habits and selling that information to companies that find it valuable in some way. But the cool thing about the Cash Magnet app is you don't even have to watch videos or fill out surveys or give your opinion or do some of the very basic stuff that you do have to do in the previous Make Money app. In this one, literally just by downloading the app itself and leaving it running on your phone, you can make money doing that. And one of the cool perks about the Cash Magnet app is you can actually use 4 different phones on one IP address, and you can get paid 4 times as much. Now, they do say on their website that the most that you can generally make is about $15 per month per phone. So obviously it's not going to completely change your life, but getting, up to $60 per month completely for free for doing absolutely nothing is not a bad situation to be. Now, is this app going to make you $600 for doing nothing? Not quite. It'll make you about $60 per month if you do have 4 devices, but we will get to that in just a few minutes, so make sure you do stick around with us. The third app that we're going to be talking about today is called the Money SMS app. Now, I do sense a very basic theme here that most of these apps tend to include the word money or free or app, probably because they're free money apps. And essentially what the Money SMS app is it will actually pay you, again, for doing nothing, literally just to receive text messages. All you have to do is sign up, create a completely free account, and they will actually send you promotionary text messages where you can actually get those texts, right? You can mute them, you can completely ignore them, but for every text that they actually send you, you will accumulate points, which you can then transfer into dollars and get paid to receive texts. And I don't know about you, but I get a lot of random texts on my phone, and now I'm thinking to myself, why am I getting all these texts and I'm not getting paid for it? While all the smart people out there are getting paid to receive random texts from the SMS Money app. So once you actually set up your completely free account, you actually tell the SMS generator how many texts that you want to receive and get paid for every single day, and then you will actually be able to earn some money just to receive some texts. And unfortunately for our iOS users out there, these apps for now do only work on Android, but we do have something very special for all of you iOS users later on in the video. So last but not least, let's get into the app that will actually pay you $600 literally for doing nothing. And if you're enjoying this video so far, if you're learning something, if you like the idea of getting paid just for installing an app and doing literally no work whatsoever, make sure you do drop a like on this video and comment down below, make money online. And if we get 1,000 comments that say make money online on this video, then we will drop a completely free course that teaches you the #1 way to make money on the internet on the next video that we actually release in just a couple of days. And make sure that you do also tap the subscribe button, because why? You know, I'm vain and I want more subscribers, and it's the strongest family on YouTube. So last but not least, the app that will actually pay you $600 for doing literally nothing, nada, zero, zilch, not one thing is called Currentus. And the cool thing about this app is it does work for both Android and iOS. And the super cool thing about this app is you literally just get paid for doing no work at all, just listening to music. And I don't know about you, but I listen to music all the time and I never get paid for it. In fact, I'm actually paying for a YouTube premium subscription, so now I feel like I'm getting ripped off. Now, all you have to do to actually take advantage of this is download the Currentus app and just listen to your favorite music. And when you listen to your favorite music, you will actually start to accumulate points. And when you accumulate points, you can then, of course, transfer those into gift cards or cold hard cash. And the more music that you listen to, the more points that you make, and the more points that you make, the more cash that you can actually earn. Again, earning up to $600 per year, literally just to listen to your favorite music and do zero work of any kind. And also, did you know that we actually have a second YouTube channel that we just launched called More Kevin David, where we bring on the best entrepreneurs from all around the world to come on and teach you live the best ways to make money online. So you can literally talk live with millionaires and multimillionaires, asking them questions about how they make money online, what the best ways to make money online are. So make sure to check that out down in the description and subscribe to that second channel. And we actually have a top 25 podcast in the world. So thank you guys so much for making our podcast a top 25 in the world, the Kevin David Experience. Because you guys have been loving it so much, we actually launched a brand new YouTube channel for it as well. So make sure you check that out also down in the description, and subscribe both to the More Kevin David second channel and also to the Kevin David Experience on YouTube. Or if you just want to continue learning on this channel for free, we have a brand new playlist of the best ways to make money online, work from home, be happy, and be free, coming to you live in the middle of your screen. Make sure you click on the playlist in 3, 2, 1. See you there. Click it. Come on, click it. Do it. Click the playlist. Okay, you don't have to, but I promise you'll like it. Click the playlist. See you soon. Peace.